Hi everybody. Today we will discuss about different what is asset classes and what are the different types of asset classes. So what is asset class? Asset class is a group of financial instruments which are similar characteristics, which have similar characteristics, and they behave in the same manner in the case of market. When you invest in a market, they behave in the same manner. These are called asset classes. So what are the types of asset classes? We will discuss. What are the asset classes? There will be first, there are four types of asset classes. One is equity, fixed income, real estate, and commodities. So we will also discuss what are the features of each of these asset classes. So any asset class, the returns depend upon the risk involved. So the risk and returns, that is the pattern. So equity, when you take equity, what will happen? Equity will have it will outperform any other assets. Any others, if you see the equity or given a returns of higher returns, the risk is involved, but it will give more returns. And also they have actually it consists of the equity consists of volatility. Volatility is also a characters of equity class. So more volatility but more risk, but outperform. It will have returns of good returns. And what is fixed asset? Fixed assets will have a risk-free return, fixed income. Actually, whatever the income is, more stable. The what you call returns are more stable than equity. And real estate. Real estate consists of land, buildings, apartments, and also villas. So these are all called real estate. And what is commodities? Commodities are more famous in India, as there are gold, silver, copper, and also crude oil, natural gas, and also like pulses. You have what are the pulses are? Wheat, corn, like that. So these are all called commodities. These are all commodities. But recently in India, there are other asset classes. There are all other asset classes also gaining momentum. They are called foreign exchange and also infrastructure. Foreign exchange, as you know, dealing with other currencies than India. So it is not rupee, it is US dollar or Great Britain pound. If you are dealing with this is called foreign exchange. And also if you are dealing with infrastructure, what is infrastructure is airports and also rail network and highway building. These are all infrastructure. These are all asset classes where they will issue bonds. These companies, infrastructure companies, they will issue different types of bonds which we have to subscribe. The investor has to subscribe to get returns. These will be in a long term pattern, not in a short term, but about 10 to 20 years bonds will be issued by them. So whether investing in all these assets, whether investing in all these assets will mitigate or it will eliminate the risk? No, it will not eliminate, but it will only diversifies. Diversification is called investing in all the assets. So as they say, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Like that, diversify your investments in all asset classes. Then what is called diversification does not take away the risk, but it only controls. Okay, thank you very much for watching for this video. Do subscribe to the channel, and also please comment on this video. Thank you very much for watching.